Hi, my name is Dave Raffet, and this is a video walkthrough of my Rails app. The app is called Q, and the purpose of the app is to be able to recommend different TV shows and movies to any users of the app. And so this is the root route main landing page, and we have the ability to sign up or log in. And so we can hit sign up and just create a new random user with a username, email, and password. And we can hit create user, and this is going to build a new user for the app, or we could also sign in with Google. I'll get to in a second. So if we hit create user, now we're logged in and we're on at the homepage of the app, and this is a custom landing page that has all the most recent recommendations in order and made between all users of the app. And so if we click on profile page, this is our profile page for the user we've just created, just signed in as, so we don't have any recommendations yet, but if we did, if people had made recommendations to us, they would live here. We can edit our account by just clicking edit account. If we wanted to change our username or password, let's say we wanted to change this to best user, we can hit update. And now our username has changed, and we can also delete the account from here if we want to as well. And if we hit delete account, then we're going to be back at the main landing page again. And we want to log in as a user that already exists, we can do that as well. Hit log in, and now we're here, and now we're on this user's profile page that's logged in, and here you can see they have some recommendations. And I'm going to log out one more time so that we can log in with Google, the third-party authorization that is available. So we hit Google sign in, we get this Google sign in page, and click on my sign in and enter your password. And now we are signed in via Google. And again, now we're on this user's profile page. There's the recommendations that they have. And so if we search for a different user, and so these are the users that are currently available in the database, and we can also search, like if we just type in D and hit search, we've got the users that start with the letter D. And so we can click on them, and then we can make a new recommendation for them. And so with that, we have the ability to either select a TV show or a movie from the database that's there already, or we can create a new one if there's something that we see that we want to recommend that's not in the database. So if we select a movie like The Godfather, and we can give it, we have to give it a rating. So let's say we'll give it a rating of an 8. It has to be between 1 and 10, and add to recommendations list. Now we see The Godfather here is on this user's recommendation list, and they'll see it next time they log in. We can also search through all the movies and TV shows that are available in the database. Again, we can search, or we can create something new to add to the database. So let's say we wanted to add a new TV show. 90 Day Fiance TV show. You can create media asset, and then here's the little show page for that piece of media, that TV show. And if in case we got something wrong, we could edit it and say, actually, that was a movie. Now it says it's labeled as a movie. That's actually a TV show. And so then in that way, we can just continually add new pieces of media to the database. And if we click on recommendations made, this link, this is just a list of all recommendations that the currently signed in user has made. So it's got the piece of media as well as what user they recommended to. So like this is the recommendation we just created, The Godfather, to this particular user. And if we go back to our profile page, if let's say we've already watched this and now we want to clear space in our recommendations list, we can just hit delete and it will delete it from our list of recommendations. And that's about it.